Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned how to turn an LED on and off using just a switch. But what if we don't just want to on and off and we want to control how bright the LED is? In this video, I'll show you how to control an LED brightness using a simple component called a potentiometer or a variable resistor. So to vary the brightness of the LED, we need a component called a potentiometer. This is a potentiometer or a variable resistor. It changes resistance by turning this knob. Whenever we turn the knob, we change the value of the resistance. As we change the resistance, we control how much current flows in the circuit. Now, to build this circuit, the components we need include we need a breadboard, we need a battery, 9-volt battery, we need connecting wires, we need an LED, and we need a potentiometer. Now you can see the circuit diagram of the circuit we want to build on the screen, which comprises of the breadboard, battery, connecting wire, the LED, and the potentiometer. Now let's build the circuit step by step. First, let's connect the positive terminal of this battery to the positive power rail line here. You can see. Now let's connect the negative terminal of this battery to the negative power rail line here. You can see. Now you can see this potentiometer, it has 3 terminals. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So the best position to put this potentiometer on this breadboard should be somewhere around here. Now let's connect one side of the potentiometer to the positive terminal of the battery. Now you can see the potentiometer here. So I'll just pick this. Then I'll connect it like this. You can see this particular leg here is here. These are my line. So I'll just insert it here. Then I'll connect it to the positive terminal of the battery. Now the next thing to do is to connect the middle pin of the potentiometer, this middle pin here, to the anode of the LED. Now I'll first insert, this is our LED, this is the positive terminal, and this is the negative. So I can insert this here. So I'll connect the positive terminal of the LED to the other leg of the potentiometer, which is the middle one here. You can see. So to be here. So now we'll connect the negative terminal of the potentiometer. We'll connect the negative terminal of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. So I'll just use this. So insert this here. Then this is the negative. I can connect this anywhere along this negative power rail lines. So let me just insert it somewhere here. You can see. Now you can see. Now watch this. As I turn the knob of this potentiometer, the LED gradually becomes brighter and brighter. Now this is the lowest value. Now I'll turn the knob. Now you can see that the LED light is becoming brighter and brighter. Now I'm lowering it again. You can see. So now you can see. You can see. So that's it. This happens because we are changing the resistance, which control the current. So instead of just turning a circuit on and off, we can control how much current flows and allows us to control the brightness. Now in this video, you learned how to control LED brightness using a potentiometer or a variable resistor. In the next video, we will explore series circuits and see how components behave when connected together. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.